Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to download Bumble Dating app. So if you want to download the Bumble Dating app, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. If you're using the Apple device, what you have to do is open the App Store. If you're using the Android device like me, what you have to do is open the Play Store. Now you can see over here, Play Store has been opened. What you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Bumble. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Bumble Dating app and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to install it. Simply tap on this option, install. While it is being installed, you'll be able to find out more about this application. Bumble Dating application is the platform in which you can meet new people, chat and date with singles in real life or make friends. You'll also be able to see the reviews over here. You'll also be able to see the information regarding the data safety. Also, you'll be able to see several ratings and reviews over here. You can simply go through it. Once you're done, simply scroll to the up. Simply wait for a while and your application will be installed. Now you can see over here Bumble application has been downloaded. You can simply open it. Now you'll be able to use the Bumble Dating application. So that is how you download Bumble Dating app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.